Hello there. How are you? How is it going? So, in the last couple of hello there. How are you? In the last couple of years, especially during the pandemic, the Discord as a platform has risen with a lot of popularity. But most of the people they are not very sure on how to use Discord. All right. So in today's video, I'll be taking you through a Discord tutorial on how to use Discord. And at first, you need to have a Discord account and also the Discord application. But it's not a must really for the to have the Discord application. You can use the Discord from your browser. All right. So I'll be opening my Discord server. All right, so we have this Discord server. As you can see, there's a lot of things that are going in there. All right, it's very confusing for new people who are coming in and they are trying to use Discord for the first time. All right, so basically, the Discord itself has five panels. So as you can see, no, yes, like not five panels, it has four panels. So we have this first panel. All right, so in this first panel, this is where you can see like the list of the servers that you are in. All right, so as you can see, I do have quite a number of servers that I'm currently a member, or maybe I've made build them. So for this measure, then on the second window, so this the second panel, second window, so we do have a lot of things that are going on. Okay, so this one may also be a little bit confusing for some people, but and also the arrangement may be a little bit different depending on the server, how it has been built. But in this server, as you can see on the topmost uh, panel, so on the top most side of the panel, so at the moment we are showing a movie, so which means like the live event will be shown on the on the top side, or on the topmost panel. All right, so if you don't want to see this, you can always click this X button and you can cross this window, and this one will go on top there. Then on this one, so on the you can see also we have a panel for events. So if the server they always hold events, you can click this one and you can see the list of events that are currently happening or occurring in the near future, or currently happening like this. So you can see all this. So this is also, this one is basically some server information about the date, the time, and also the number of users in our server. Then also the number of people who are active with the green button, the number of the people who have turned like do not disturb, and number of people who have turned on like idle. All right, so in total it means like this server, it has 21 people who are currently in the server. All right, maybe doing some other activity. Then when you scroll down, so you can see the server, it's divided in different channels. So in this one, we have voice channels and we also have chat channels. All right. So for example, when we come down here, so like in the main session, for voice channels, we have the hashtag. So whenever you see hashtag, it means that is a chat channel. Okay. And also, when I'm talking about this chat channel, so I want to talk about this other feature on this mid-row window. So whenever I click the mid-row window, it means that it will be showing the information of the channel that is currently open. Okay, so it will show you mostly the information of the channel that is currently open. Then on this one, as we go down, you can scroll down. So depending with whichever device that you're using. So if you're using maybe a laptop, so you can swipe at the with the two fingers and drag this up and down and see the number of activities that are happening without the channel. Okay, and it's very easy. So as I said, now we go to this mid-row channel. So in this mid-row channel, So this is where the channel that is currently open, you can see everything. Then on the other side, on the rightmost side, we also have another panel. So this is the panel that is showing like the people online and also different categories. Okay, so as you can see, we do have these different categories, and these categories they are arranged in like let's say in like alphabetical order. So for example, like this one, this is my name, Amwell. So I'm in government, and this channel is We Speak English Pizza. This server, it's We Speak English Pizza server. But because my name starts with A and We Speak English Pizza starts with a W, you find that it's written in like it comes after Amwell. Then also I have some some number of bots which are doing different activities. So in a server, in order to do a lot of automation like play music, manage the event, and also ban people, kick people, add people, give them some roles like this, you need a number of servers to help you. So you can scroll the same way like we are scrolling this panel. So you can scroll up and down, and you can see the list of the people who are in the server. All right. Then from there, so for example, we do have another interesting channel which I I had not thought. So we have the voice channel. So when we go back to the voice channel, it's very easy. So whenever I want to join the voice channel, so I can click once, left click once on that, and you hear that sound which you earn, which means I'm already in the channel. All right. Then what if I want to see what is in the channel? So I can double click on top of like the channel, like double click, left click. So from there I can see the list of the people who are in channel, and the window that was on the left side where it was showing the people who are online, it will disappear. All right. Then so then from there, once I can see, it's okay. So once you're in the channel, we have different ways which you can interact with the people. So this is the list of the people who are in the channel. They are currently muted at the moment because they are watching a movie, but because of copyright issues, I won't show the movie. Okay. So in down here at the bottom, we have different tabs which we can use. So the first tab is turn on your camera, share screen. Also we have unmute. So this one is like zoom, and also we have like disconnect. Okay, so disconnect, when I click it, it means that it will take me out of this channel. All right. Then share screen, it's when I want to share the screen so for other people they can see. And also then on the this unmute, we have a small down button, and also on the camera the same thing, we have a down button. So which means whenever I click the down button on both sides, so you can see like if I have multiple cameras, I can switch in between the cameras. Then yeah, on the microphone, if I have multiple input microphone devices, I can always switch in between those ones. Okay, so you can see this. Then also we have another interesting part of this panel, but it's associated with this. So for example, you can see now like when I connected, here it is showing like the channel like which I'm connected in, and it's saying voice connected, and it's showing my connection, it's very strong, so in green. Then we have noise suppression, we have disconnect, and we have share screen, and we have video, and we have unmute, we have also deafen, and we have user settings. So basically these are user settings where you can change your name and all sort of stuff. So for example, in user settings, so this is what you see. So your account, information about your account, and information about everything. Okay, so like this. So you can click escape and come back here. Then server deafen, it means that if I click this, I won't be able to hear anything else from the server. Okay. Then for example, on this panel, it's very useful. So this panel, so for example, if I was in this channel and for some reason I want to chat with my friend on a chat channel, So if I click on the chat channel, you remember this, it will show me this, all right? But which means that I'm still connected to the voice channel somewhere, and it becomes very, very difficult for me to remember which channel, probably if you are a new person, which I was connected to. So we have this accessibility here. So we have this disconnect button. So I'll just click this one, and when I click this button, it will help me end all the connections in the server. Okay, and also on the same thing, if you click on like this one, and for example, I move from one server to another, so I go to another server. So let's say I can click on this one. So this is also our server. I'm also a member. I teach Kiswahili in here. So on this server, so the same way, this one, it will disconnect me whenever I am. So even if I switch servers and I'm not sure, or I forgot which server I was connected to, so I can always click this one. Then also something very fun to know, it's let's say whenever I'm connected to one server, it can always show a small speaker to show that I'm connected to this server. So you can check for this. Then what if I want to speak with one of my friends personally? So let me just disconnect this. What if I want to speak with my friends personally? So at the top left corner, we have this small Discord, how do we call it? I'm not sure the name, so you can put it in the chat and tell me how we call this one. Wimpass? I'm not, yes, Wimpass. So we have this Wimpass sample, so I think it's written on. So if I click it, I can always see the list of my friends who are in the server. So you can see that this is the list of my friends. And if I click, for example, maybe I can click on one name. So basically, as you can see, maybe I can click on my friend here, Kesaru. So Kesaru, and from there, you can see like the chats that I've been doing with him. So this one is like the chat one-on-one. And whenever a person sends you a message, so let me just try it out, and I'll show you like this. So for example, I come here, and let's say, okay, so I'm here, so I'll send myself a message, and I'll say hello. Okay, so I'll say hello. So if I send myself a message, you can see the message appears at the bottom of this. So which means we speak English pizza, send me a message. So if I want to read this message, I just click here, and if when I click here, it takes me directly to the person who sent me a message, and from there I can respond to that message. So from there, or the same way they saw my message, they'll see it on the other side. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm grateful I'm grateful that you made time to watch this video. If you have any question, put it in the chat button, and feel free to subscribe to this channel, and like this video, share it with your friends, and show their appreciation. See you in the next one. Bye for now.